Welcome to our tutorial on incorporating any music into your Instagram story using an Android device. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to seamlessly integrate your preferred tracks into your Instagram stories. Open the Instagram app on your Android device and start creating your story. Capture a photo or video or upload one from your gallery as the base for your story. While on the editing screen, use the music icon in the upper side to add the chosen music to your content. Adjust the volume and length of the music to suit your story. Once the music is seamlessly merged with your story, simply click on the Your Story icon to share it with your followers. Congratulations! You've successfully added your desired music to your Instagram story. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below.